Okay, this is the Inland Raptor Mini 60. That's the keyboard I'm going to be building my just my DIY today with. And we're using the G.Skill Crystal Crown keycaps. And just some Red Dragon lube, pretty much. And my switches are Red Dragon Bullet A113. I'll put a links. I'll put all the links on in the bio for everything. So you're just gonna see me comparing everything before I mod the new keyboard. I'm comparing it to my Huntsman 60, which I bought for like 120 after I put keycaps on it. Yep, just removing the keycaps first, because I'm trying to do a duct tape mod, but I gotta make sure I get everything off. So just enjoy the reels. Yeah, I had to buy some tools, so I didn't put the tools and everything you need to do this. Because technically you could do this with your hands and just a paintbrush, technically. You see me opening the case right here. I would really suggest just doing like 2 layers of duct tape, because oh my god, you are going to regret putting more than 2 layers. I think I did 2, but I put 1 in the middle and then one more in the end. So it's almost like 4 in the end, right near where the USB is. You're gonna see me plug in my Type-C into the keyboard actually, while I'm screwing the thing down. Yeah. This whole thing probably took like 20 hours maybe since yesterday. Yeah. It's kind of scuffed. I did learn a lot though from the switches and the keycaps and everything. Yeah. I tried to make a timeline, but it's pretty hard to do all this. So for the most part, I put everything that I could in the video. Yeah. Don't do what I did. And just buy 1 pack of those Red Dragon switches. There's 36 keys in a 60%, and when you buy 1 pack of those things, it only comes in 20. So I'd highly suggest buying 2 packs. So that it would be 26 bucks. That's why I rounded it out to like 85 in the end instead of originally 70. It's 70 if you don't buy 2 sets of switches, which I fortunately did not. So the cool thing with the Inland though, the brown switches, they're lube, and also the everything with like the what are those called? The fasteners on the shifts and the space bars, they're also lube too, which is not bad for like a 39 or I mean a 29 keyboard. Pretty crazy. almost through this. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave it in the comments. So end result is 70.95 because I didn't buy 2 sets of switches. So it would be like 80, 85 technically, depending on how much, what the sales are and everything when you guys buy them yourself. You should be seeing the end result. And, oh, what do you guys think? I love the keycaps, surprisingly. I don't know if I got a bad pack of keycaps, but the shifts don't fit on them, so I had to use the default shifts, which kind of just blend in well anyway. So yeah, I'm kind of happy. The really quiet switches are on like my main FPS keys anyway, so here's a final compared result. So the total goal of this is just to make a way quieter keyboard because I want to record and stuff and do things more. Especially Discord, you're like, oh, you got some pretty loud keycaps. I mean, a loud keyboard. That's my Huntsman 60 with 8 purple linears. Those were the quiet ones I mean the loud ones I was talking about. And that's the inland before I modded it again. Yeah, so please leave a like and subscribe on the bottom screen, and I hope you guys like this video.